Yeah, if I might add, much like my colleagues just indicated, everybody's different. Everybody kind of comes with their own story. One of the things that stands out for us, though, is hands-on patient care. Honestly, when a candidate has spent their hard-earned money and time working with those who can't care for themselves, working in a CNA role, for example, patient care tech, you're getting to see people at their most awful moments, the scariest, the angriest. And those are, I think, important moments to have in understanding why the heck you want to do this work. You can't learn about those terrible things that happen in healthcare and those really awful moments when you're in rotations or when you're out, in residency. It needs to be something that you've already experienced. And the more hands-on that it is, the more that you've actually put your hands on people and helped them get through those moments, the higher your level of empathy is going to be, and the more solid your why is going to be. And the why, honestly, is what it's going to keep you going when it gets really difficult, when it gets really challenging, and when it gets really tiring. And when you've had enough, and that happens pretty quickly, from what I understand. So that the strength of your why is really kind of solidified by having those really deep patient contact experiences.